What's going on, guys? This is Juan Alamo Fitness with my first unboxing video on a handheld stabilizer gimbal for smartphones. I'm so excited and I hope you too to see what is inside this box. So let's do it. Alright guys, so let's do it. First of all, let's take this plastic out of this box. It's kind of windy outside here today, but we're gonna do it anyways. Oh, look at this. Miren esto, mi gente. Got a nice pack, little package or a storage package to put it away. And this is what we got. As most everything in life has a guy and a warranty card. Right there with all the information there, call center and everything, and also the guide over here, every single information as you can think of it. Everything you can do with this is over here. All right, very simple. So what we had in the box: a USB cable right there, as you can see, with the gimbal itself right here. This is the gimbal, and this is the little stand. You will put it here. Oh, I turned it on by mistake right there. So this is a little stand that you can use to stand or leave the gimbal up. I mean, if you have a tall tripod like I do, which is the one I'm using now to record this video, you can hook them up in top of that, on top of your tripod, and it's gonna be really high. So that's it, guys. Simple video. You got the stand here and the gimbal itself, and like I said, the USB cable here. Now if you want to see a review on this gimbal, let me know in the comments. All right, if you want to see a full review on this and how it works and how you can use it, on how to use it, let me know in the comments. All right, thank you for watching. To the next video.